And we're back with another post-wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous post-wave price trigger reports. Without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, so these markets are really trying to decide what they want to be when they grow up. Gold has decided to go ahead and push higher, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what we got. It's clearly in the bullish zone and it wants to keep running. So I think we do have to say, since we broke 1900, that gold wants to continue to rally. So we're going to have to follow it. And it looks like the system wants to remain long. So long, the bulls have it on the gold. What about the NASDAQ 100? Anything change here? Well, again, the bulls are in control of this market too. The market wants to try to get some momentum behind it and start a new bull run here. I can only trade what I see, right? I can only tell you what I see. It is what it is. What about crude oil? Crude oil has been flip-flopping, as you can see. It's been kind of moving sideways a little bit. But we do have this crash alert sell signal for tonight into tomorrow's trading that we cannot ignore. Trendline support is going to be the initial target on that one. Next up, we got silver. Silver nowhere near as bullish as gold. Silver is going the opposite direction. The bears are clearly still in control of this one, even though it's in a bullish configuration. It's just not rallying. It should be rallying. It has everything that it needs to go rally, but it's not. This is one of those rare situations with the silver. And I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, what can you do, right? Got to trade what you see. What about these grains? What's going on with soybeans? Well, you can see we're off the highs. They're still in control of this one. We keep getting more downside production each and every day. We're already at the trend line support initial target. Either it's going to start getting ready to bounce from here, or it's going to crash and burn, fall off the cliff, and come all the way down, back down to the 1350s where the top of the Kumo cloud is. Next up, we got the Dow. Dow futures also sideways. The bulls still have it. They're keeping the price elevated here. And now, technically speaking, you're at the crossroads with the Dow. Work and poise and be set for a run. Looking at the US dollar, it's still down she goes. Every day, more downside production. Bears clearly in charge of this market as it is in a bear market. On the daily charts, that is. Looking at the mighty Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a rally alert. We got no upside production today. Now we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like one more test down here toward the lows is in the cards. Next up is your Doji coin. Ticking time bomb. We're in a neutral zone. Flip-flopping between buy and sell signals with no follow-through. So we'll see what happens, but it is right here trading sideways. This is your main bar zone right here. So I expect there to be a continuation of this sideways trading, maybe a week or two. Looking at DOT, pretty much the same thing. You're moving sideways here. I think at some point this bottom base will be completed and the market will move back up here toward the body of this bar and move sideways. Flip-flopping, buy, sell, no follow-through. What do you expect, right? Next up is your EOS. All right, here's EOS. And we have that rally alert buy signal. The market did give some upside production today and then stopped short of the top of the Kumo cloud. So it's going to take a little bit more energy to push through. And then you got the overhead trend line resistance that it has to get above too. I think that is definitely going to happen as the market, once it finishes playing around here at the support of the bar here, they don't get back up into the real body, up and over the trend line resistance, and then move sideways for a while. Next up is your Ethereum. Ethereum is under a lot of selling pressure. It is in a full-blown correction. It's been trying to base out. You had the rally alert buy signal coming into today. It gave a little bit of upside production before pulling back and then moving back up higher again. And now we flip-flop one more time with a crash alert sell signal for tonight into tomorrow's trading. We'll see what happens there, but it's just a lot of sideways moving. This is your main bar right here. And that's what you're seeing in a lot of these cryptos. As you can see, one after the other, they're all moving in tandem. You're in a consolidation. Same thing here. You're consolidating south of the Kumo cloud, south of the overhead trendline resistance. And right now, this one's trying to stay afloat. Looks like the lows are in for now. You have this rally alert buy signal coming into today. It gave you the upside production. And now it's just drifting sideways a little bit. And that was on theta. Last but not least is your XRP Ripple. As you can see here, this one a little bit different, had a rally alert buy signal coming into today. You got that upside production before back and filling, and now kind of is floating along here. Overhead trend line resistance is the initial target, followed by the bottom of the Kumo cloud and then the top of the Kumo cloud. So still a lot of room to run if you can get enough momentum behind it, but you're in a neutral zone, so that's questionable at this point. We'll just have to wait and see. All right, you guys know what it is, man. PulseWaveTrading.com. There's no other trading methodology or system like it on the planet. We do this, and you can do it too. All you have to do is go to PulseWaveTrading.com. You can sign up to receive these PulseWave reports delivered to you every evening, and we will guide you through all the things you need to know, all the rules and methodologies and tutorials. And our goal is to get you up and running, up to speed, so you can put yourself in a position to start making money immediately. All right, so with that being said, you know what it is. Smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.